of the Franco Dinh Show. Benji right there in the right-hand corner, our show producer.
Who's in the left-hand corner there? Who's that?
Lincoln, come here. Up.
Hello, Lincoln.
Oh, hi, buddy. Just got a haircut yesterday. Hi, Pat.
There's your
Oh, my
thumbnail.
goodness. Sorry, bud. Working.
Bye.
So cute.
That
Hi.
is cute. That's going to be your thumbnail for the episode.
Hi, bud. You should. Oh, my gosh.
What have we got for the Franco update this week?
Oh, man. So you can see behind me. Halloween's coming up.
Yeah.
I think we're like going to start decorating the house this weekend. So my boyfriend is really, really into it.
Uh-huh.
And I get excited about it too. Like he has a crap ton of animatronics. And then this year, I think we're doing a little bit more like DIY, detail oriented things around the house other than animatronics. But it'd be fun.
They're huge too, right? Like they take up a big portion of the backyard when you get them all together.
The shed's like filled with Halloween stuff. We have like a bedroom dedicated to, not dedicated, but there's a crap ton of stuff in there. Yeah, it's like 6 foot, all of them mostly 6 foot plus. There's like 8 foot ones. We have that 12-foot skeleton, which is pretty cool. I mean, that's what kind of started it all, was the 12-foot skeleton. If you know, 3-4 years ago, Home Depot came out with like a 12-foot skeleton. It was like limited amount that came out and people went crazy over this. It came out for $300. People were reselling for like 600 plus.
Really?
Yeah, they were like really hard to get your hands on. Now they've made like more, so you could get them at a Home Depot. But yeah, that was
I've
like
noticed
really
that
hard
just
for me
about
to
like
get.
any hardware store has got some big animatronic when you walk in September.
Yeah, Costco now has that huge like half skeleton. Yeah, that people have been getting. But yeah, I think the Home Depot is the best one. Like some people use it for like other things like Thanksgiving, Christmas.
Really?
They just like have different outfits for.
Oh,
Yeah,
really? Oh, that'd
it's
be
fun.
cool. Yeah.
Yeah,
Just some
now they have
animatronic that
like
you can redress.
yeah, there's lights where you could add on to like the chest area and it changes colors. And then there's this one that just came out where you could change the eyeballs. They've done
It'd
with
be
it.
weird if you forgot something in Christmas time, though. How come Santa's got a knife?
Yeah. They put
That's
like a little
cool.
Christmas hat on them.
How
Yeah.
long does it take you guys to get all set up for Halloween then?
It takes him a while. I just help
Yeah.
with the skeleton because it's bigger.
Well, I hope you
Probably,
take some pictures to show us on the next
yeah,
episode.
hours. Probably
It's
like
cool.
a full day, maybe.
All right, we'll move on now to the weekly Cromford Report for our market update. What is going on with the Cromford Report?
This is what we have going on as of 9/25. Active listings are up from last month, about a little over 1,000. We have pending listings and under contract. They're kind of the same. They are up, which is great. That means homes getting under contract is on the rise. Days on market to sales, 71. So it's basically stayed the same since last month. And then listing success rate has increased by 1.5%. And again, that doesn't include the seller concessions, which is still around, sellers are giving $10,000 in concessions to the buyers at a rate about 56%. So it's still pretty high. So if you are a buyer and in the market, just know that that's the average and you could probably get about $10,000 on average off sales price or towards your closing costs. And then as a seller, you want to take this in consideration as well because it takes it off your net amount. Oh, the Cromford Index. So 90 and below is considered a buyer's market. 90 to 110 is considered a balanced. And then 110 and plus is considered a seller's market. And this is for Maricopa County, Pinal County. We are at 95 Cromford Index. So we are in a balanced market right now.
All right, let's change gears now and go do the MLS check. What are you showing us in the MLS check today?
I always look for homes with casitas because I think it's good to have like additional income where you could long-term rent that casita, or you could Airbnb it. So this one popped up fresh on the market, Mitchell Street. It's in Coronado District. If you don't know Coronado District, it's a historic district built in the early 1900s, but this one's 1984. It's like an older, charming community. I love it. It's close to downtown and is walkable to a bunch of different great restaurants. So this one was interesting. It says like new AC, all that. Casita was not permitted. And with the main house in Casita, it's 1,600 square feet, which I believe the actual square footage of the main home is about 1,100. So that gives you 500 square feet in the casita. Since it was unpermitted,
It
it
shouldn't
shouldn't
count
be
towards the square feet.
included towards like, yeah, the square feet
Yeah.
pretty much. I mean, it's basically a studio. You have a stove, refrigerator, basically everything you need for kind of an Airbnb, I guess. But this was weird how that there's additional buildings that you can build. I think they run the casita as an Airbnb because they gave us this document that I'll show you later.
Oh, so you think that price doesn't include the casita? They do
It
talk
doesn't.
about the square
I know
footage,
it
but they
doesn't.
don't include it in the price.
Correct. So yeah, because I could see on here that there was one that sold at 669, literally right next door,
Mhm.
1,600 square feet, and it was 669.
Have you seen that
So
anywhere else in the valley, though, where people are putting up, like, multiple casitas in their backyard for Airbnb?
no, I know of like multi-family units that
Uh,
have a couple Airbnbs in it, like say a fourplex, two of them are used as Airbnb, two of
mhm.
them are used as long-term rentals. I've seen that. I haven't seen this. That's why I would not suggest doing that at all. If I were to Airbnb it, I would feel like it's kind of creepy.
Yeah. Your
Yeah.
neighbors would probably really not like it.
You would have to enter like through the gate, which is fine, but is that an
Oh, look
RV
at
gate
that
that
big
would
driveway on the
okay.
side. Yeah.
Yeah. But still, I think that's kinda weird. The inside of the main house is pretty nice.
Yeah, it's nice. I like the main house. I don't know about the whole casita angle, though. Somebody's got casitas on their mind.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
and so let's look at this document that they've included, which is their Airbnb profits. They probably rent it out themselves
Mhm.
instead of using a property management. If you're looking to Airbnb your casita, just always double check. I feel like some of the times this could be fabricated.
Yeah, probably. Just to they gotta have some angle, some sweet deal, gotta get the house sold.
Yeah, because I mean, 43,000 is kind of a lot,
That's a
like, in
lot,
my
yeah. If
yeah,
that little casita could pay
for,
for
like,
the
a
whole house
studio.
for the year,
Yeah,
yeah, that's huge.
sounds good, but yes,
Sounds good.
I would always double check. Might be too good to be true.
Might be. Let's look at the survivor pool. What's gone on with the survivor pool
Yeah,
since we
so
checked in last time?
if you haven't been following along, this was something I ran for my clients. Winner would get $250 to a gift card to wherever they want. Everyone actually was out by week 2, which was
Oh,
pretty
whoa, look at
crazy.
that.
I know. A lot from week 1. Week 2 was really crazy as well. Even like week 3, like last week was
Mhm.
insane. I told you guys I was in this like huge survivor pool with like I think it was 9,000 people in it. And
Yeah, you told me that. I remember now.
by the end of this weekend, I think 700 people are left.
Did you
Yes.
make it through that one?
No.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
out next year. Freaking insane. Crazy
Yeah.
games last week and yeah, I'm excited. Football's back. I'll figure out what to do. I don't know since everyone's out already. Multiple people lost on week 2. Obviously there's no clear winner. I might do, I don't know, something in week 5, but we'll see.
Keep us
Yeah.
up to date on our emails. Go ahead and subscribe, guys, so you can see what Franco decides.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week.